Digital root, it is a simple and useful concept in mathematics. In this video, we are going to learn what is digital root and how to find the digital root of any number. In digital root concept, any number greater than 9 can be reduced to a single digit by adding the component digits of the number in one or more steps. Now let's see how to find the digital root using few examples. As I said, any number greater than 9 can be reduced to a single digit. How to do that? You just simply need to add each digit of the number until you obtain a single digit. Here we have number 34. Each digit means 3 and 4. We need to add now. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the digital root of number 34 is 7. Now let's see the next example. Here each digit is 4, 7, 2, 4. Adding each digit of the number, we get 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 equals 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17. You just simply need to add each digit of the number until you obtain a single digit. But here we have 2 digits. So we need to repeat the steps again by adding the digits. We have 1 and 7. So 1 plus 7 equals 8. We obtain a single digit number. So the digital root of 4724 is 8. Next example, number 369. 3 plus 6 plus 9 equals 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. We got a 2-digit number. We have to repeat the steps again by adding each digits 1 and 8. So 1 plus 8 equals 9. So the digital root of the number 369 is 9. Moving on to the final example. 5 plus 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1. So 5 plus 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1 equals 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. We got a 2-digit number. We have to reduce it again. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10, it is again a 2-digit number. We have to reduce it. So 1 plus 0 equals 1. So the digital root of this number is number 1. In the next video, we will learn the shortcuts to find the digital root. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more captivating math content. See you next time.